ሃይ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ኮምቢኔሽን ኤንድ ኮምፖዚሽን ኦፍ ፈንክሽን ያለውን ልዩነታቸውን with example ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። እንደሚከተለው አቀርባለሁ። First you'll try to find what domain of f and domain of g. f ተሰጥቶና ዶሜኑ ምን ይሆናል? The domain is equals to 1 2 3 and 6. This is the domain of f. Similarly, you try to find domain of g. What the domain of g is equals to 1 2 5 and 6. So ለመደመር ለመቀነስ ለማባዛትና ለማካፈል ምን ሊኖራቸው ይገባል? የጋራ ዶሜን ሊኖራቸው ይገባል። That means take domain of their intersection. Domain of f intersect with domain of g. That means take the common domain. When you take their common domain, the common domain, this is equals from the given information 1 is common, 2 is common and 6 is common. So intersection ናቸው ይሄ ነው። ይሄ ከሆነ ኮምፖነንታቸው first order 1 to 6 ያሉትን ኮምፖነንቶች range of f እና range of g ምን እናደርጋለን? መደመር ሲሆን እንደምራለን፣ መቀነስ ሲሆን እንቀንሳለን፣ ማባዛት ሲሆን እናባዛለን፣ ማካፈል ሲሆን እናካፍላለን። መቼ component of g second order different from 0 መሆን አለበት። ለምን any number divided by 0 meaningless ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። So when you come to their sum f plus g is equals to take 1 the first component since it is common 0 plus 5 the first component. When you come to the second common entry that is 2, so take the sum 2 plus 4 range of f and range of g. Take the sum. The next one 6 is common. Take the sum of their range. Rangeaቸውን sum ስንወስድ which is equals 4 plus negative 2. Then we take this set. What the result? The result becomes which is equals to 1 with 5 since 0 plus 5 is that is 5. Here we have 2 with 6 since 2 plus 4 that is 6. Next one here we have 6 with 4 minus 2 that is 2. From this we can take the domain. Domain is their intersection that is the same. No difference on the case of their domain which is equals 1, 2 and 6. Range of f plus g is equals to the range that we obtained here. ስንት ነው? 5 6 2. So we can put it increasing order 2 5 and 6. This is the range of our sum, the sum of f plus g. Similarly, we can find the domain and range of their difference. First, we'll try to find their difference. f minus g. We take the difference now, which is equals 1. ዛጋር መደመር ወሰድነውን እንቀንሳለን ማለት the same domain that is 1 0 minus 5 ይሆናል። ይሄ መደመር የነበረው መቀነስ ይሆናል። Similarly, for the second one 2 into 2 minus 4. The next one that is 6 into 4 minus 2 ይሆናል ማለት After that, take their difference, which is equals 1 with negative 5, which is equals 2 with 2 minus 4, negative 2 ይሆናል. The next one is 6 into 4 minus 2 ይሆናል, plus 2 ይሆናል, so that is 6 ይሆናል. From this, you can take out the domain and range of what the differences. The differentiation domain እና range ስንወስድ domain of f minus g, the same domain ነው የሚሆነው, which is equals 1, 2 and 6 ይሆናል. But the range varies. Rangeaቸው ግን ሊለይ ይችላል ይለያያል. Range of f minus g is equals to what we have? እዚህ ጋር ያለ ምንድነው? negative 5 negative 2 እና 6 አለ ማለት This is negative 5 negative 2 and 6. This is the range of our difference. differenceaቸው ምን ይሆናል? f minus g this one ይሆናል ማለት በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማሳየት እንችላለን. Let us continue for the next one for the case of their product and quotient. When you come to their product, we did the same. This is f times g, which is equals the common domain is what? That is 1, 2 and 6 as we did before. So when you take 1, it becomes 0 times 5. Take the product of their ranges. When it is 2, the product 2 times 4. Take 2 times 4. When you take 6, their product becomes 4 times negative 2. You have to take this one. Then this is equals to 1, 0 times 5 that is 0. You have 2 times 4 that is 8. And when you come to 6, 4 times negative 2 that is negative 8. This implies that what is the domain? As we did before, the domain of their combination, their product, particular their product is equals, here is 1, 2 and 6. And range of their product f times g is equals to what we have? Negative 8. Can put it increasing order 0 and 8. The product of their range. Rangeaቸው ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት Last one what we have? f divided by that is g. In this case we did the same. What we have? which is equals to 1 with f that is 0 divided by 5 divide their rangeaቸውን ማካፈል ማለት when it comes to 2 this is 2 into 4 divided by 4 እዚህ ጋር f2 ነው የg component 4 ስለሆነ for this can we divide this 2 divided by 4 when it comes to next one the first that is 6 common for both then 4 divided by -2 4 divided by -2 which is equals ይሄ ምን ይሆናል here is 1 with 0 the first component. It is 2 divided by 2 with 2 divided by 4. This is 1 over 2 or you can say this is 0.5. Here we have 6 into 4 divided by -2. This is negative. So what is the domain now? From this our domain is the same. What we did before. Domain of f divided by g. That is the intersection of them with domain g different from 0 which is equals 1 2 6 እዚህ ጋር የg component range 0 ከሆነ we can't consider that one ለምን meaningless undefined ስለሚሆን unfortunately የg component range ላይ 0 ስለሌለን we can take it the as it is. What about the range of f divided by g is equals to what the range we have it is -2 it is 0 and the other one is 1 this is 0. So in this way we can find combination of two functions using that formula. እንግዲህ የሰራነውን ይሄንን አፕላይ በማድረግ ዶሜን ሬንጅ ኦፍ የኮምቢኔሽን ፈንክሽን ማግኘት እንችላለን። ኮምቢኔሽን ኦፍ ፈንክሽን ስንል ምን ማለት ነው? አራቱን ኦፕሬሽኖች አፕላይ እናደርጋለን ማለት። ዶሜን ኦፍ ኮምቢኔሽን ኦፍ ፈንክሽን ጊዜ ምን ይሆናል? the intersection of what the domain of the individuals የነሱ የእያንዳንዳቸውን ዶሜን ወስደን የጋራቸውን ሲሆን ብቻ ነው መደመርም መቀነስም ማባዛትም ማካፈል የምንችለው። ነገር ግን በማካፈሉ ጊዜ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? they have the same domain but the value of g must be at the range of g is different from 0 መሆን አለበት. Otherwise any number divided by 0 becomes meaningless. So we exclude the range when g is equals to 0. Let us see the next one that is composition of function. Let f and g is given as such forms. Then state the domain range of fog x. Fog here it says. So f of g. Fog means in this case f of what? G of something here f of something. So when you come to here you know that domain of fog is a subset of we said subset of domain of g and at the same time we said that range of this fog is this is a subset of range of f we said. So using this information we perform this fog x or fog of a given function when we have what the range of g becomes the domain of f. የg range ምን መሆን አለበት? domain of f ከሆነ ብቻ ነው perform ማድረግ የምንችለው። ስለዚህ when come to here 0 ስንወስድ 0 the range is 3 we will try to find in the domain of f መፈለግ አለብን ማለት። so 0 ስንወስድ this is 3 ይሄ 3 range of g ነው domain of f ውስጥ መኖር አለበት። yes it has 3 አለ። ስለዚህ what the value for 3 in case of f that is 2 we take here is when it comes to the second one it is 2 to 4 the range of g that is 4 you will try to find 4 in the domain of f ውስጥ ማግኘት አለብን። ነገር ግን አራት domain of f ውስጥ ስለሌለ we can take these two as order መውሰድ አንችልም ማለት። when it comes to 6 goes to what 2 in the range of g ነው in the domain of f መፈለግ አለብን። yes we obtained here እዚህ ጋር አለ እዚህ ጋር ስላለ ምን ይሆናል 6 with 2 ሆነ ማለት this is 6 with 2. when it comes to next one it is 5 to 5 so 5 የሚለውን የዚህን range we'll try to find in the domain of f መፈለግ አለብን የለም ስለሌለ we can't have. so this is the only value that is for fog ይሄን ይመስላል ማለት። from this what is this domain of fog ምን ይሆናል? domain of fog is equals to this is 0 and 6. You can observe that this is a subset of domain of G. What is the domain of G? Domain of G implies that is 0, here is 2, here is 5, this is 6. Yes, it is a subset. You can check this one. Range of our fog, that is only 2, yes. 0 to 2, 6 to 2, only 2. You have to check this. This is also a subset of range of f. What the range of f? The range of f consists that is 0, 2 and 6. Yes, the set consists to also what? A subset of that is range of f. So we can find range of f and range of fog as well as fog of domain of fog as such forms. ስለዚህ የዶሜን ኦፍ ፎግን እና ሬንጅ ኦፍ ፎግን በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው የሆነው የሬንጅ ኦፍ ጂ ቢካምስ ዋት ዶሜን ኦፍ ኤፍ መሆን አለበት። እዛ ኮምፖዚሽን ፈንክሽን we call this composition function እንለዋለን። composition function እንለዋለን። ፎግ ከሆነ የዶሜን ሬንጅ ኦፍ ጂ must be what ዶሜን ኦፍ ኤፍ መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። let's see the reverse one ስንወስድ 1 ሬንጁ ምንድነው 0 ነው። 0 ከሆነ we'll try to find this range in the domain of G. Yes, domain of G ላይ አለ። ስለዚህ we have to take components. This is 1 to 3 እንወስዳለን። 1 to 3. When come to the second one, this is 2. 2 goes to what 2 ወደ 2 ይሄዳል። የዚህ ሬንጁ ማነው 2 ነው። we'll try to find the domain of G ስንፈልግ yes it is 2. 2 ስላለን it has what value 2 to what 4 የመጨረሻዎቹን ኮምፖነንቶች እንወስዳለን ማለት ዶሜን ኦፍ ኤፍ እና ሬንጅ ኦፍ ጂ እንወስዳለን ማለት መጨረሻ ነው። when come to here is 3 to 2 አሁን 3 to 2 ነው ወደ 2 ይሄዳል ሬንጁ 2 ስለዚህ we try to find the domain. Yes, we have domain here እዚህ ጋር 2 ስላለ we get what the same that is 3 to 4 ይሆናል 3 to 4 ይሆናል። when come to last this is 6 to 4 ይላል the range here is 4 ነው 4ን እዚህ ዶሜን ኦፍ ጂ ጋር መፈለግ አለብን የለም ስለሌለ we can take this further አንሄድም ማለት we have only this one. From this what is the domain of gof? Domain of gof ምን ሆነ? Domain of gof is equals to 1 2 3. Yes, check that this is a subset of domain of f መሆን አለበት domain of f is 1 2 3 and 6. Yes, it is a subset. Yes, it is correct. Similarly, let us see the range of gof. Range of gof ስንወስድ what is the range of gof which is equals range that is 3 4 ይላል so the same so this is 3 with 4 3 and 4 range መሆን so this also a subset of ምን መሆን አለበት range of g መሆን አለበት what is the range of g that is 2 here is 3 here is 4 here is 5 so here ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ ዶሜን እና ሬንጅ ኦፍ ፎግ እና ጎፍን ማግኘት ይቻላል። ስለዚህ when we see their difference in case of combination and composition function in case of combination ምን እናደርጋለን take the intersection of their domain የዶሜናቸውን ኢንተርሴክሽን እንወስድና የጋራ ዶሜን ካላቸው we perform what combination perform እናደርጋለን for a function f and g f እና g ካለ this works for their addition f plus g it works for their difference f minus g and it works for f times g. For the case of quotient in that case we take what their domain intersection this is domain of f intersect with domain of g yes then accept the zeros of range of g this is range of is equals to 0 ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ range of g 0 የሚሆነውን ኤክስክሉድ እናደርጋለን ማለት ምንም እንኳን ዶሜን ውስጥ ቢኖርም domain of g ቢኖርም range of g 0 ከሆነ any number divided by 0 meaningless ስለሚሆንብን we restrict in such ways for the case of divided by g እናደርጋለን ማለት when come to composition function ላይ ስንመጣ ግን ምን መሆን አለበት that means in case that is fog or may find what gof of given composition function in this case what for this range of g must be element of domain of f to perform this one range of g g range ምን መሆን አለበት የዶሜን ኦፍ f element መሆን አለበት if that so we can perform ማድረግ እንችላለን ይሄን ካላሟላ ግን ማድረግ አንችልም ማለት similarly for the case of gof that means range of f must be what element of ምን መሆን አለበት domain of g መሆን አለበት if that so we can perform the composition of function ማድረግ እንችላለን እነዚህ ነገሮች መሟላት አለባቸው ማለት ነው so this is the difference between combination of function as well as composition of function ስለዚህ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ሼር ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ ግልጽ ያልሆነ ነገር ካለ ደግሜ ላቀርብላችሁ እችላለሁ አብራራላችኋለሁ ስለዚህ ጥያቄያችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ማስቀመጣችሁን አትርሱ መልካም ጊዜ እንደሆነላችሁ እመኛለሁ ባይ ባይ